This is how to make money on TikTok without ever showing your face in 3 easy steps. Step 1, subscribe to this channel. I'm just kidding. Step 1, you have to absolutely positively be consistent. TikTok is just the nature of the platform. They reward people that upload consistently. I would say in my experience and everything that I've been learning from some of the big experts, they say 3 to 5 TikTok videos per day. That's the sweet spot. That's what you want. Step 2, now seriously, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing. But okay, honestly, step 2, you want to get your hashtags just right. Now the right hashtag strategy kind of looks like this. You obviously want the hashtags that you choose on TikTok to be related to the video that you're posting. Now if you made your video about farming, and your hashtags are all about ice skating and whatnot, it's going to screw up the algorithm. It's going to be really weird. You're going to get views from the really weirdest places. And TikTok is very similar to YouTube in that they reward you for keeping the eyeballs and the engagement on the stuff that you're posting. So if you're posting stuff on TikTok that gets a lot of comments, it gets a lot of likes, it gets people to watch the entire video over and over again, preferably. They're short videos anyway, so it's not that hard to do that. That's what gets your video viral. That's what gets them to push your video out to more people. So make sure your hashtags are directly related to the video that you're posting. And last but not least, have an affiliate link. And this is what it looks like. And to always be calling an action to it, always be alluding to it, always draw arrows to it, always say click the link in the bio, always say this, always say that. Some kind of affiliate link. That means that if you're making content about fitness, have an affiliate program. If you're making content about makeup, have an affiliate program. Have something to sell. Why are you on TikTok trying to make money from followers? You will never in your life make enough money from just followers. You have to sell something. If you're not comfortable with selling something, don't be on social media, because everyone making any significant amount of income on social media, especially TikTok, they're selling something. There might be like 10 people on the entire planet who have enough followers and enough views and whatnot to just make money off the views. But that is a pipe dream. Most people won't be able to reach those heights. So in order for you to make a full-time income on TikTok, just sell something, okay? And you don't have to make your own product. You don't have to sell your own services. If you're not very creative, you don't know what you're doing, learn more about affiliate marketing on my channel, or do affiliate marketing in my course, which you can find the link down below in the description. And if you're still not sure anything about affiliate marketing and that's like the first time you've ever heard it, I have an entire playlist right here where I can take you step by step through all my affiliate marketing strategies, where